If you're encountering a design upload error on Spreadshirt, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully upload your designs. Step 1. Check file format. Ensure that your design is in a supported file format. Spreadshirt typically accepts formats like PNG, JPG, and SVG. If your file is in a different format, convert it to one of the accepted types. Step 2. Verify file size. Make sure your design file size does not exceed the maximum limit set by Spreadshirt. Generally, the maximum file size is around 20 MB. If your file is too large, try reducing its size or resolution. Step 3. Review design dimensions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser cache can cause issues with uploads. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try uploading your design again. Step 5. Update browser or try a different one. Make sure your web browser is up to date, as outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues. If the problem persists, try using a different browser to see if that resolves the upload error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the design upload error on Spreadshirt. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to Spreadshirt's customer support for further assistance.